Hi everyone, my name is Gwen and today I will show you how to make a mocha coffee. This is a nutritional, it is a nutritional coffee, iced coffee that Herbalife just put out, just released on the 15th. It's so good, really good, and you can mix the powder with hot or cold water. So I'll go over it and I'll show you. I'll make with the blender here and I'll show you the different way. Either by the blender or you shake it up or you just use a spoon and mix it up. Okay, so I'll do it now. So first of all, I'll put in 4 hours of cold water, your regular room temperature water, and I'll put it in the blender. Okay, then I will make 2 scoops. It's 2 scoops of the powder that Herbalife already the Herbalife mix. Okay, the mocha. This is the brand, the mocha brand. Okay, there are two kind, house blend and mocha, but today we only have the mocha. So I will make it 2 scoop. All right. Okay, I'll blend it up with a very slow speed. I just wanna mix it thoroughly. Okay, so very low. Okay. That's it. Okay, here. It smells so good. All right, I'll put it over here. This is the coffee. Okay, it's so good, you guys. You can't believe it. It look really good. Okay, here. Then now I'll put in 4 hours of hot water. So here, this is 4 hours. Okay. All right, I'll put in here. Then now we have 1 cup of coffee, which is really, really good. I'll close it up for you to see it. Okay, that's the coffee. That's the coffee, that's the hot coffee. Here. Okay. All right, you see that? It's so good. It looks really good, and it's really tasty. It's so good. Here. It's so good, you guys. Right here, it's foaming, and it's since the market, so many people, so many young people, they want a coffee. But they drink the coffee every day with condensed milk or some of the sugar, that too much of the sugar that bring into their body, which is not good. And along the way, this iced coffee or hot coffee, you have 15 grams of protein, so only 100 calories, and it's only 2 grams of sugar. See, it's so good and so convenient. It's a powder form, so you can put it, you can mix it anytime that you want. Just take it out of the pouch, and you mix it right now. Then I am showing you how to make the one for the cold coffee. Okay. So for the cold coffee, that you need 8 ounces of water. All right. Then you mix it to scoop. Okay, go very low. Okay, then I will put a cup of ice. Okay. Ice in here. Here's a cup of ice. Okay, I'll put in the God, it's so good. It's very good, you guys. Okay, here. Here's your iPhone.